Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Okta MFA policies for Google Workspace users step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Okta admin console. Navigate to the Security tab in the top menu. Select Multi-Factor from the drop-down options. Here, you will see the Factors section. First, ensure your desired multi-factor authentication methods are enabled. Click on the factor types to toggle your preferred options on or off. Next, go back to the multi-factor page and click on the Policies tab. Here, you will see the existing MFA policies. Click on the Add Policy button to create a new policy. In the pop-up window, enter a name for your policy. Optionally, provide a description to better explain the purpose of this policy. Select the desired users or groups this policy will apply to. Next, set the conditions for when this policy will be enforced. You can define conditions based on network location or device status. Once configured, click on Next to move to the Verification Methods section. Choose the multi-factor methods you wish to require for this policy. You can select options like SMS, email, or authenticator apps. Be sure to adjust the enrollment settings according to your preferences. Click Next to review your settings on the summary page. Make sure everything looks correct. If satisfied, click the Create Policy button to finalize the setup. After creation, you can reorder this policy as needed in the policies list. Finally, communicate the changes to your Google Workspace users. Encourage them to prepare for the new authentication methods. Monitor the usage and compliance of the new policy regularly. Adjust the policy as needed based on user feedback and security requirements. You have successfully configured Okta MFA policies for Google Workspace users. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.